3D concrete opens up a world of possibilities. Essentially, it unleashes the contractor and the designer from what is possible given us just a simple piece of formwork, and that usually determine what shapes and sizes of beams, columns, and floors you could make. This actually takes that possibility of anything organically shaped, curvilinear shaped, radiuses, and lets you place it as you need it. Of course, it's not going to be every piece of new concrete design, but it's a very exciting segment. From what we can see beyond the current uses, which are mostly low-rise residential, is we'll have ways of reinforcing 3D printed concrete so that you won't need to limit it to 2 stories, 3 stories. We're already seeing some buildings pushing 8, 9 stories with 3D printed concrete. So I'm really excited also because this is a case where we've seen a lot of great ideas in concrete come to market and not go anywhere. And in part, they don't go anywhere because they didn't incorporate the specialty labor necessary to construct with a new material or a new method of construction. Here we have Western Washington cement masons proactively getting out in front of things that are happening, not just a nice idea or a trend, but this is happening now, and they're putting their capital right into it to be not a follower or a reactor, but a proactive, engaging leader in this area that's rapidly evolving.